This video is a tutorial on installing my module, OSC PC Information. This module can display the CPU, GPU, memory usage, and time on your avatar. It can be automatically installed and removed. Please be aware that this module only supports NVIDIA graphics cards. Please back up your Unity project before using it. First, we import the two Unity packages in order. Find the OSC PC Performance file under this path. Drag and drop anywhere you want in your avatar. Add Auto Install OSC PC Information to your avatar. Click Add to add the animations. If you want to remove the added animations, you can select Remove. These are all added by this component. Finally, remove the component from your avatar, upload the avatar, and start VRChat. Switch to your avatar, open the action menu, select Options, OSC, and Enable. Then unzip VRChat OSC PC Sender and run VRChat OSC Start. You can continue adding more. Put in different positions, sizes, front, back, on the back of your hand, etc. But you must remember that every time you add this item, you must click the Add button to regenerate the animations. If the animations don't play, please delete the cache files of VRChat OSC. Then click the Open VRChat OSC cache folder of the component. It will open a folder. Delete the files here, and then click Reset Avatar.